5 science-backed reasons to try time-restricted eating.
Curious about time-restricted eating? Discover 5 research-supported benefits of adopting this eating pattern. Whether you're looking to improve your health, boost energy, or simplify your routine, science offers compelling reasons to give it a try. Let's explore what time-restricted eating can do for you.
1. Supports healthy weight management.
Studies show that limiting eating to a specific window each day can help reduce calorie intake without strict calorie counting. This approach may promote gradual weight loss or help maintain a healthy weight over time, as it often leads to fewer opportunities for mindless snacking and late-night eating.
2. Improves blood sugar control.
Research indicates that time-restricted eating may help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. By aligning meals with your body's natural rhythms, you can support healthier glucose metabolism, which is especially beneficial for people at risk of type 2 diabetes.
3. Reduces inflammation.
Chronic inflammation is linked to many health issues, from heart disease to arthritis. Multiple studies suggest that time-restricted eating can help lower markers of inflammation in the body, possibly supporting long-term health and reducing the risk of chronic disease.
4. Boosts heart health.
Limiting eating hours has been shown to improve certain heart health markers, including blood pressure, cholesterol, and triglyceride levels. These benefits may help reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease over time, making this simple habit a proactive step towards a healthier heart.
5. Supports cellular repair.
Time-restricted eating extends the fasting period overnight, giving your body more time to repair cells and clear out waste. This process, called autophagy, is believed to play a vital role in maintaining cellular health and protecting against age-related diseases.
Is time-restricted eating right for you?
While the benefits are promising, time-restricted eating may not be suitable for everyone. Always consider your personal health conditions and consult with a medical professional before making changes to your eating habits. With the right approach, this science-backed method could offer meaningful health improvements.